Hello again, my lovely love bug goodies. Welcome back to your girl channel, How to Cook. It's a pleasure to have you here on this cooking venture. All right, goodies, so I'm making this corn soup. This is a requested recipe, and this recipe is so delish. I tell you, it is so delicious. My husband love this soup. This corn soup is so mellow, it's so refreshing, it's so full of flavor and yummy-liciousness of goodliness up in this one bowl, y'all. Look at that soup blended with all the veggies, y'all. If you're vegan or non-vegan, you are going to fall in love with this recipe. Now, if you are here and you're watching me for your very first time cooking up this corn soup recipe, make sure that you have subscribed, turn on your post notification settings, goodie, so you will always be aware of whenever your girl upload a brand new video. Now, you ready for the recipe? All right, come on and let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother.
So here we go, goodie. I am getting ready to make the best corn soup ever you could have in your kitchen. So right here I'm using my Dutchie, and that was a big mistake using my Dutchie, but anyway, I'm using that. What I did was go ahead and add 1 stick of unsalted butter to my Dutchie. You could use salted butter if you need, but make sure you weigh out the salt content when you go ahead with the recipe. Now to that, I add my garlic to it. Look on the pot. Lord, big mistake. The pot one limelight. Oh man, that pot was driving me crazy, y'all. But anyway, the show must go on. Now I'm combining my butter and my garlic together, and we just want to make that melt, right? If that pot would stay still, life would be easier, but no worry, it just one limelight. Okay, so now I'm going ahead and melt up my butter, right? Soon take care of the pot there. Well, here we go. I'm going to add some ginger, right? And all the amount for the recipe will be listed down in your description box. Make sure you check that out. Make sure you subscribe to my second channel, Life as Juliana. The link will be down below as well. Now here I'm using my rice flour, and if you don't want to use rice flour, use all-purpose flour, use oats flour, any kind of flour of your choice, go ahead and use it. I am though adding about 1 1/4 cup of that flour to the mix, right? Then I'm combining the flour and the garlic and the ginger and the butter all together. That's what I'm doing here, making sure that my flour cook up with everything else that I have going on there. Now I'm adding my vegetable stock. That's homemade vegetable stock that I made earlier for another vegan recipe that I made, so I'm using that. You can buy it in the store, right? Yep, so I'm adding that. I think I added about 3 cups there of that vegetable stock. Mix it up, because I don't want any lumps into my soup. So I'm gonna mix it up. Lord, I can't stand the pot. The pot that drive me crazy, people. Man. Anyway, that's how it's gonna look when it's starting to thick up. Cook it for about 3 minutes, right? Then I added my onions, added my bell pepper, green and red, right? So that's what I added. Now I'm adding 1 can of cream of corn, right? Cream of corn. Yes, 1 full can. I'm gonna make sure I get everything out. at the can. I don't want to lose nothing. Then I added 1 can of kernel corn, sweet corn. So you add a can of cream and a can of regular corn, sweet corn. I make sure I get everything out of that can. 1 corn grain make a difference. So now I want to go ahead and spice it up because I want it to have flavor. It's all about flavor in my kitchen, right? So what I did here was add some all-purpose seasoning, Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. I added some onion powder, garlic powder, flavor of a ton up in the soup. You don't want to have nasty soup, canned soup I drink, right? Flavor it up good with anything you want. Then I added some salt, and then I added some, what else did I add? Some apple cider vinegar, and I added some black pepper as well, right? Added all those goodness up in there, right there, my vinegar, apple cider vinegar. And then goody, the thing was done. That's it. Simple, simple, simple. Mix it up, combine everything together. Hold the pot stay still. Jeez, man, gosh. Lime light the pot want, right, to sign up. But anyway, go ahead and mix it up, and we're gonna cover it up, right? But you want to cover it up on medium heat, nice and tight. Give it about another 5 to 7 minutes, and when you finish, the soup look like that. The soup is just delicious, y'all. I love this soup. This soup has a really mellow taste to it. The flavors from your veggies, oh my god, everything combined together with just that little spice that I added to it. And then to serve it, all I did was very simple. Very simple. I just went ahead and added a little bit of parsley on top just to give it that extra little prettiness and a little bit of flavor to the mix. Just to make it pretty, basically. Not giving no more flavor. Pretty. And yes, that corn soup was done. It was done. It was ready to go in my husband's belly, in my belly, and everybody's belly that was going to drink this soup, y'all. This is a good one. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, y'all. Make sure that you are loving these recipes. You're sharing these recipes with your friend and your family and name and everybody want to share it. Go ahead and share it. As always, subscribe, y'all. Be sure to check out your girl on the second channel, Life as Juliana. That link is going to be down below. Be sure to do that, goodie. Now, tell me what you'd like to see me cooking up next in my kitchen, y'all. Don't forget that, and as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.